Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? So if you're new to this channel, you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome to Rosie Tech channel. This channel is where you can get the basis of programming if you're new in the world of programming, or you're just starting, or you're just taking your course at computer science. If you're new in that aspect and you want to learn how to program, this is the best place for you to be. So you're welcome. Subscribe to this channel, give it a notification bell, and every of my video you're going to be getting it. And today what you are going to do is taking, like I say from my previous video, is to take the basics of programming first before we can go into programming language. So today we are going to be taking what do programmers do. What exactly programmers do. If you want to be a programmer, yes, I want to be a programmer. What did they do actually? That's what we are going to look into today. So I want you to stay tuned, especially if you're new to programming. You don't know where to start from, you don't know what to do. This is the right place for you to be, because when I started, I was all over the place. So many things that I don't understand, that cannot go down well with me. So since I find the strategy on how to go about it, I became stable, and now I can boldly say I can build my own project, I can run a website, I can build a website, and so many other things. So please, start your journey from here, so that you can get the basic knowledge, the necessary knowledge that you need to have as a programmer before you can move ahead to coding and other things. So today, like I say, what exactly do programmers do? That's what we are going to see today. At the end of my video, there are going to be questions. Please do it by answering that question. Answer the question, drop your answer in the comment section. I'm going to check it and pick out the best answer, and that person will be appreciated in my next video. So stick with me if you're new. Stick with me. Let's start this journey from the beginning. Let's hold our hands and pull ourselves up to that aspect, to that extent that we can boldly hit our chest, that we can build websites for ourselves, for our clients, and so on. So stick with me and you will get the knowledge that you require. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the business. Okay, see you on the other side. Okay, understanding what programmer is. With our understanding, so now what exactly do you think programmers do? What programmers do? 1. Write code. Programmers write code. Programmer writes and maintain code to create software applications, websites, and systems. They write code. Programmers write and maintain code to create software applications, websites, and systems. 2. Debugging. Programmers, after writing the code, they check for errors, and all these errors are what? Debugging. The process of removing these errors is known as what? Debugging. Identifying and fixing that errors is known as what? Debugging. So they identify and fix errors or bugs in the code to ensure software runs smoothly. They debug, removing errors, make sure all the softwares are running smoothly. 3. Software design. Programmer they design software. See all the software that in our system. All the software that in our system that you interact with, use it to do, they are the one that design them. They design what? Software. Programmers design software architecture and plan how different components will interact. They plan how different components will interact. They design software. So testing. The programmer test. They do testing. See, after creating softwares, after creating apps, they test it, checking round to see the function, to make sure it is functioning very well. They test software applications to ensure they meet requirements and function as expected. So you can see that programmers, they do testing. Collaboration. Programmers collaborate, they form team so that they can work perfectly, they can share ideas, to check to make sure everything are organized in orderly manner. They collaborate. Programmers often work with other developers, designers, and stakeholders to develop software solutions. They collaborate to develop software solutions. 7. Code review. Code review. After typing in their code, after everything, they will have to review their code, the code that they type, to make sure everything are in order. They review code writing by peers to ensure quality and adherence to best practice. They review code writing by peers to ensure quality and adherence to best practice. Documents. Programmers write documentations to help others understand how the software works and how to use it. How the software work and how to use it. They make sure they document everything so that they can refer to it. They can show the users that this is how this particular software is. It's just like a manual on how to use their software. Research. They stay updated with the latest technology and programming languages to improve their skills. So programmers, they do research to make sure they are up to date. They do research to make sure that the latest programming language, they are up to date with the latest programming language skills. They upgrade their skills, make research in order to upgrade their skills to meet up with the modern design or modern programming language softwares. Version control. Programmers use version control system like Git to manage and track changes in the code base. So they use version controls like Git to manage and track changes in the code base. So if you are new to programming, I advise you to register yourself or to sign into GitHub to make sure all your things are stored, to make sure they are up to date. AI optimizations. Programmers optimize. They improve software performance by optimizing code for speed and efficiency. They improve software performance by optimizing code for speed and efficiency. So they optimize code for speed and efficiency. Security. Programmers implement security measures to protect software from vulnerability and attack. So security is very important. User support. They assist users to troubleshooting issues and providing technical support. You can see that programmers have a lot. There are several areas you can specialize in programming. So user support, they assist users by troubleshooting issues and providing technical support. Project management. Programmer help plans and manage projects for timely delivery and alignment with business goals. Thank you. So we have come to the end of today's lessons.
I hope you learn and understand what programmers do. I hope you get the message, you learn something um from this lesson. Please, if you do, help me by subscribing to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that when next I post my video, you'll be the first to get the notification bell. And once again, like I said, after every class, at the end of every class, um I'm going to what be giving you questions. I'm going to be asking questions so that it will what refresh your memory, so that the one that you don't understand, you can go back to it and reflect on it to make sure it's part of you. As a programmer, you need all this basic knowledge before you can go into coding. So without wasting much of our time, so we are going to go straight to our questions. Question one: who are programmers? Who are programmers? Who do you think a programmer is? List five things programmers do. List five things programmers do. 3. Explain two from your list. After list after listing the five things programmers do, explain two out of it. Make sure drop your correct answers in the comments section. I'm going to check and make sure I appreciate those that get the correct answers in my next video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Drop your answers. If you have questions, to drop it. Thank you.